Protect your grout from looking tired and dull by applying a sealer. Hi, I'm Lucas, and this is how to seal grout. Let's get into it. Sealing your grout lines helps to protect them from moisture, dirt, and stains, keeping your tiles looking fresh and clean for longer. Plus, it can prevent mold and mildew from growing, which is especially important in areas like kitchens and bathrooms. First, clean the grout using a grout cleaner or a mixture of water and mild detergent, and scrub the grout lines thoroughly with a stiff brush to remove any dirt, stains, or mildew. Once clean, wipe down the tiles with a damp cloth to remove any residue and let the grout dry completely, which could take up to 24 hours. Now it's time to select the grout sealer for your project. You can either use a spray-on sealer, which is quick and easy to apply, or a brush-on sealer that provides more precision, especially in tighter areas. If you're using a spray sealer, hold the can about 30 centimeters away from the surface and spray evenly along the grout lines. Make sure to cover all of the grout thoroughly, but avoid spraying too much on the tiles. Wipe any excess off the tiles with a clean cloth immediately. For a brush-on sealer, hold the bottle upside down and carefully apply gentle pressure along the grout lines. Work in small sections and ensure you cover all of the grout joints. A steady hand is key to avoid getting too much sealant on the tiles themselves. No matter the applicator you use, wipe off any excess sealer from the tiles with a dry cloth. Once you've applied the sealer, let it sit according to the manufacturer's instructions, then apply a second coat. Allow the sealer to dry for at least 24 hours before exposing the grout to any moisture. This ensures it's fully protected and will provide long-lasting results. And there you have it, your grout is now sealed and protected, keeping your tiles looking cleaner and fresher for longer. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help you tackle your next project with confidence.